Parents often tell their children, "You have so much energy you are bouncing off the walls." What they mean, basically, is that their children have the ability to move. This is not far off from the scientific definition of energy: the ability to do work or to cause change. In the context of science, work is done when a force moves an object across a distance. When children move themselves across a distance, they are doing work. They have energy. One type of energy is potential energy, or stored energy. When you stand still before a race, ready to run, you have potential energy. When you push on a spring and hold it, the spring has potential energy. A ball has potential energy when you hold it. A car has potential energy when it is filled with gasoline and ready to go. Gasoline is a form of potential energy called chemical energy. Food and batteries are also types of chemical energy. Potential energy can change into kinetic energy, the energy of motion. This change happens when the potential energy is used to do work or to cause change. When you run a race, the potential energy you had while standing still turns into kinetic energy. When you let go of a spring, the potential energy the spring had is turned into kinetic energy. The potential energy of a ball that you hold turns into kinetic energy when you drop it. Gravity causes the ball's potential energy to turn into kinetic energy. The chemical energy stored in gasoline turns into kinetic energy when a person turns the key in the car's ignition. The car can then move. These are all examples of translational kinetic energy, or the energy of moving from one place to another. Another type of kinetic energy is rotational kinetic energy, or the energy due to turning. Earth has a rotational kinetic energy when it moves around its axis. Vibrational kinetic energy, or the energy due to vibration, is yet another type of kinetic energy. An eardrum has vibrational kinetic energy when a sound wave hits it, causing it to move rapidly back and forth. Potential energy and kinetic energy change back and forth. For instance, if a rabbit is standing still, it has potential energy. When it hops, that potential energy turns into translational kinetic energy. If the rabbit is then still again, it again has potential energy. When it hops, the potential energy again turns into translational kinetic energy.